Hey guys, we're just coming today to introduce you to our new apprentice, Glynn. Everyone would have seen him in the shop at one time or another. He was in the spare parts department and has made the movement to the workshop. So yeah, Glynn, what made you want to come out into the workshop? And yeah,
Oh, just those buggers would shut up, I'll tell you. No, so I've always had an interest in cars and bikes and everything else. So I've had motorbikes throughout my life. I've had plenty of cars that have been hotted up and broken down and fixed again. So I've always worked on cars and bikes, and I just really enjoy it, and that's my passion, and that's what I want to do. So,
nice. Yeah. And when you started here, you had the Yamaha MT-03, wasn't it?
7, yep.
7. And you obviously moved on to the Harley. What do you think of the Harley compared to that?
Completely different bike. I enjoy the MT-07. The riding position for such a tall fella like me, being 6'4", wasn't that enjoyable on a long ride, and the long rides are what I like. So
Nice.
I definitely prefer the riding position and the setup of the Harley, and of course with the M8 you can get so much power out of it.
Yep.
And
nice.
Yeah, plenty of power, comfortable, easy to ride, smooth, love it.
No, it's good. And obviously you've hotted up your bike. We'll get into that a bit later on, but how do you think, you've been in the workshop a little bit for a couple of weeks, do you think moving from the spare parts into the workshop has helped that transition, and how have you found the first couple of weeks?
So I spent about 4 years in the parts, and that definitely built up a huge knowledge base of information. I learned so much, and there's so much to it, so that is definitely going to help me in the future, for sure, without a doubt. It's probably the best start to get into the workshop is to do a stint in the parts. Not that I'm advocating that everyone who goes into parts should go into the workshop, or everyone that goes into the workshop has to go into the parts, but it definitely is going to help me a lot.
Yep, definitely.
Just understanding where everything goes, how it all fits, and the relationship between all the different items, part numbers, breakdowns, all that sort of thing. So it's going to be really beneficial.
Yep.
And how have the few weeks gone? It's been pretty good.
Yep.
I've certainly got no complaints. It's as I expected. I'm not expecting the skies to open, godlight come out, and everything be A1 all the time.
Yep.
I'm pretty realistic, and
to be fair, you can't complain to me anyway.
No, I can't. No, I'm going to get some shit jobs, and I'm going to have some fun, and I'm going to enjoy what I do. I'll always make the best of it, for sure. But I've definitely enjoyed it, and it's just going to keep on building on that, for sure.
And obviously with we're a bit short on the ground with obviously grooming at the moment, so you've been doing a lot of that. That's obviously not the best thing to, most enjoyable thing to be doing, but hey, it's working towards the right thing, and it's just being out there and your hands on the bikes.
Yeah, there is no substitute for getting your hands on the bike or your car. I mean, I grew up working for my father. I started grooming cars when I was a young boy, when I was like 13, 14, 15. That's how I earned my money to buy my first car at the age of 15 when I got my license. So, I certainly don't mind that, because you're also learning stuff about the bikes.
Yes.
You just, it's all experience.
Yep.
And I don't have a problem with grooming, and it is actually quite enjoyable, because you get to see, like a fully finished end result, which is all your hard work.
Yes,
so,
yeah, that's right.
There's certainly a lot of job satisfaction in that.
Yep.
And
definitely. And obviously, Glynn's got his own Harley, and he's been doing a lot of work on it. So it's onwards and upwards really, and we just need to get those jobs coming through and get him qualified. But he's going to be a massive asset to the team.
Thank you very much.